the other thing you can do generally is just say, do you know what? Bob's really good with knees. I want you to have 2 sessions with Bob and then come back to me and we'll reassess how you're getting on. How does that sound?
That's a good point, isn't it? If you emphasise the quality of the practitioner for the specific problem that's being handled. And I don't think we're suggesting you should lie about this, because of course if you're talking about a low back pain or a neck pain or something, they will be expert in it. And yeah, so hopefully that will be...
recommending it, yeah, if you're recommending them and saying, you know, they're really good at this, and you're getting the patient agreement. If you use those words, how does that sound? Most people will go, yes, that sounds great.